this is Abhishek from Technics Media, and today we are here at the Nokia booth at Mobile World Congress 2013. We have the Nokia Lumia 520, which is a budget phone which has been launched from Nokia. It is going to be available in India in the Q1, and it is going to come very soon in India. I am going to give you a quick hands-on of this particular device, which is a budget smartphone, and it actually looks like a very premium smartphone without any issues. In terms of build quality, if we talk about, here we have the Nokia Lumia 520. This one again comes in different colors like red, yellow, white, cyan, blue as well. If we talk about the build quality of the device, we have a very nice build quality on this device. It doesn't feel cheap basically. It will come for a price of around 10,000 Indian rupees. It will be a successor for 510. And if we take a closer look over the device as far as the resolution is concerned, this one has a resolution of 480 into 800, and it has got a 4-inch capacitive touchscreen IPS LCD WVGA resolution display. So the resolution on 720 as well as on 520 is 480 into 800. If we talk about the advanced camera features, it does support cinemagram, so that you can actually animate certain parts of the photo just like a GIF. Basically, you do have the smart shot and the panorama features as well. If we talk about the camera is 5 megapixel with autofocus, and it doesn't have flash. As far as the build quality is concerned, the phone looks pretty good. You have a nice build matte finish back cover which feels very premium in hand. You have the Nokia branding over here. You have the loudspeaker over here which is fairly loud, and we have actually tested it. And if we talk about the 3G support, it does support 3G as well, and it allows you to download videos, or you can do the browsing as well using the Nokia Smart Browser, which is again optimized on this one for a fast browsing. If we talk about the battery on Nokia Lumia 520 is 1430 mAh, and it has got a 1 GHz dual-core Snapdragon S4 processor. If we talk about the connectivity options, it does support 3G as well as Wi-Fi both. It has a super sensitive 4-inch touchscreen display basically, and this is how the display looks like. And if we take a look over the other features of the phone, if I just show you the camera UI, let me just show you the camera UI. So if I show you the camera UI, this is how the camera UI looks like, just like you see this camera UI from other on other Nokia Lumia phones as well. And if I just take a photo of this device right now using the camera, you do have tap touch to focus and then take a photo. It does take some time to actually focus on that particular object before you capture the photo, but once it captured, it actually has captured the photo pretty well. The device is actually captured in this photo pretty much in detail. And if we take a look over the camera quality of some other photos which have been captured from this device, let me just show you some other photos. So these are some other photos which are again captured using the camera, and they are quite colorful. So the overall color reproduction and the color saturation is quite nice. The display is quite good. It is a low resolution display, but it again feels pretty good. As far as the turn-by-turn navigation is concerned, you have the Nokia Maps or the Air Map basically on this device, with which you will be able to get turn-by-turn navigation. If we talk about the operating system, this one runs Windows Phone 8 operating system. Let me just show you the version number. So if you go into settings over here, you can see the version number. I can show you the version number basically. 8.0. This is the detailed version number, and it is running Windows Phone 8.0 as you can see. If I take a look over the storage, you have the phone storage as well. This device comes with 8 GB of internal storage, and out of which around 2.51 GB is actually used right now, and rest of it is actually available. So considering the 8 GB phones, you get much higher storage on this device when it comes to the storage options. And so this device is going to be a budget device which is going to come very soon in India. If we talk about the ports, we have the micro USB port here for data syncing. Here we have the power and sleep key. This is the volume rocker. This is the dedicated camera shutter key. Here we have the 3.5 mm audio jack on which you can plug any kind of headphones. On the left side of the phone you have nothing. Here we have the loudspeaker, and here we have the Nokia branding, the 5 megapixel camera. So in all, this device is pretty good. and this is going to come out very soon in India. It will be a budget smartphone, budget smartphone with Windows Phone operating system, which gives you seamless access to your Windows computer as well. You can have the same kind of experience which you have on Windows 8 on this phone as well. So in terms of the overall experience which you will get on this device, this is going to be a very high-end experience which you can get on a budget device like this. That's all from us right now regarding the quick hands-on review of Nokia Lumia 520. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please click the like button, and you can subscribe to our YouTube video channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching. This is Abhishek signing off. Thank you.